Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Microsoft Teams and joining a meeting. Make sure your camera works. Once you're in the lobby or call, turn on your video so background options appear. This is required. Next, click the three dots for more actions. Selecting background effects is the first real step. You're doing this now to see live preview thumbnails. Make sure your device meets Teams requirements and that the app has permission to use the camera, otherwise backgrounds won't apply. Once the background settings panel opens, click any thumbnail to preview it in real time so you can judge lighting and framing. If none fit, click Add New and upload a JPG or PNG. Teams will process it and show a preview. You can also use the blur option to keep edges soft when you don't want a full image. This helps reduce background distractions. Make sure the image is appropriate for meeting size and contrast so it looks natural on camera. To finish, click Apply and return to the call. Your selected background is now active for this meeting. If the background doesn't appear, restart Teams, check for updates, and confirm camera permissions in your OS settings. Often a quick restart resolves it. Also verify hardware support. Older integrated webcams may not support virtual backgrounds. Once fixed, test in a private meeting so the next live call shows the background consistently, and you're ready to present.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.